Okay, and we're on. I am Mark. This is the beautiful
Sylvie.
Yes, that's her. We did two-step today. We talked about how slow should be. We kind of continued from what we did in the nightclub of being split weight on the slows. Most important step is the first slow. So try to get to that first slow and find that spot, especially followers, find that spot where you want to be. Don't wait for the leader to provoke that. The leader's job is one, just show you direction. So if he's split weight, he's going to show you direction, he's going to roll through his right foot, he's going to show you direction. The slow is gone and you're gone. Job number 2 is to show you the rhythm. So if he accelerates himself, you actually accelerate yourself, get that first slow. Yes? After that, we talk a little bit about the turns also. Followers, if you have a hard time turning, count your basics and go walk, 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 turn, 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 walk. Actually count it with the action you're supposed to be doing, because most of the time when you're having problems turning, you're always walking. So my joke was like, what are you supposed to do when you turn on your feet? You're supposed to turn instead of walking. Wait. Then we did close, like quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. We repeated, quick, quick, slow, weave all around, quick, quick, slow. Then we can start all this again, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. I can do a basic quick, quick, slow. Slow, I can just do slows, 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 and play with her, and dip her, and maybe even dip her again, and take a little walk.